I believe the watch date for snow around here, you've said it, Glenn has said it, is November 20th.
Day before my birthday, by the way. Now, nothing big and pretentious, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
How about a snowfall for your birthday?
That's okay, too, because I won't be here. I will be on vacation, Dennis. But 20th
You should
November,
be so lucky.
right, is the mean snow date that we expect snow that's going to stay in the metropolitan area. And according to some forecasts I've seen, it looks like we expect around 57 to about 60 inches of snow, which is a little above
normal
for this time of year. And I think
what is that, about a foot and a half?
Are going to be a little bit. No, it's about 6-8 inches above what we can normally expect for this time of year, or for the total year, actually. Right. Let's look now at our almanac, and you can see that a year ago it was not very warm, 29 degrees for a high, 18 for a low. Today's high, 62, the low last evening, 40. Record 68 and 9, and what we have currently under partly cloudy skies, 52 degrees. The dew point is 41, the humidity 66%. Winds are out of the west at 14 miles an hour, still gusting to 23. The pressure is now rising, and just a trace of precipitation so far today. On the national map, what we have happening is a low pressure system now in north-central Minnesota, drifting to the east, and as that happens, will become partly cloudy. See some stars tonight, but then as this low continues to the east, that circulation back around the low will bring in some more clouds. I don't think any snow or rain through the metropolitan area, however, but it will definitely cool us off as we get into this cooler air mass. We'll continue to move through Minnesota, and tomorrow night we will see temperatures well down into the 20s. Out in the east, we have rain down through Michigan and the Ohio Valley, clear skies then in the southeast. Back to the west, partly cloudy skies, cooler temperatures, and some rain in the Pacific Northwest. And you can see the snow north of this low pressure system again as the low moves to the east. That snow will not get into the metropolitan area. They do have a traveler's advisory out through this evening for most of the Arrowhead area of Minnesota. 5 inches of snow on the ground up there right now at International Falls. On our satellite photo, you can see the clouds into Minnesota over the metropolitan area and into Wisconsin. And then some clearing, actually, back in the northwestern part of Minnesota, back into the Dakotas. You can see a second weather system that has developed back in Montana that will move in. Looks like we'll see showers Tuesday or possibly Wednesday from that system. A lot of clear skies, stars down in the southern part of the nation tonight, but again, the clouds. We'll take a closer look at the Midwest, and you can see right actually over the metropolitan area, some clouds, no precipitation being reported. Then some clouds over in Wisconsin, down into Iowa, clearing down in the northwestern part of Iowa, and again, then partly cloudy skies through this area, so we will see a few stars around the area tonight. Let's look now at our high temperatures for today. It maintained fairly cold temperatures up into Canada, into the 20s, the 30s through northern Minnesota. Small areas of 40s and 50s and some 60s creeping up into the metropolitan area. But look at down here, 90 degrees still down in Texas, record-setting temperatures all through this area. We have a cold front that lies right down through here, the low-pressure system in northern Minnesota, and another cold front then out through the Plain States, and you can see the dividing line. You can see this very narrow band of temperatures where that cold front lies. As far as our forecast for tonight, we're calling for partly cloudy skies. It will continue rather windy out of the northwest, 15 to 35 miles an hour. Lows 34 to 39 degrees. And then for tomorrow, cloudy to partly cloudy. We will see a little sun off and on tomorrow, and then clearing tomorrow evening, but unfortunately, that is going to make way for some very cold temperatures. Lows tomorrow night, 20 to 25 degrees, and the winds will die down a little bit, probably around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that will give us some wind chill definitely tomorrow night. Sunshine then on Monday, partly cloudy Tuesday, a chance of showers on Wednesday. Temperatures highs only in the mid-40s, lows 25, 30, and 30 again on Wednesday.
I want to know something. Good weathermen, when they make a prediction such as snow, they always end up on vacation. They always leave town.
We're not
to head
dumb.
for places like Florida, Phoenix,
No, I'm
Dallas.
unfortunately going to Wisconsin, actually.
You're not going to
Dennis,
escape it then if you predict so.
No, I'm just moving over a little bit.
Hope it snows harder over there on the 20th.
Thanks.
Steve Pacini is here with sports, and he has